Hey guys, so here's the grocery haul. Of course, we got some grapes. Then I got the kids some chips. Of course, you know the kids are gonna be out. These are here are great little snacks, and also to get them together. Then y'all, I got some calamari. This one here came from Aldi. Oh my god, I'm excited about trying this. This one here looks so good. I hope you guys try it. Then of course we got some bomb pops for the kids. Then I got some noodles, of course. These are here like 98 cents. Then of course I had to get some butter. Then I got some bell pepper. And then I got some pizza rolls. Then I got some salsa. Some pineapple bites. Then I end up getting some shrimp. So excited. Then I got some cereal. Of course, so excited. And here's the bell peppers again. Then I got 2 things of light bread, white bread, sandwich bread, whatever. Orange juice, I got 2 things of orange juice. Then I got some chips for some nachos or a snack. Then of course we had to get our pizza, of course I had to get a milk. Here's 2 things of ground beef that basically I end up always going to Aldi. Or if not, I would go to Renfro for my meats, but I go to Aldi for the groceries part. Here's the other orange juice. Then I got some cereal, of course. Cinnamon Crunch, y'all, it's so good. We loved it. This one here is our favorite. Then we end up getting some collard greens, of course. I got a thing of big water. Okay, so this one here is what came from Renfro. I got some drumlets. I got 2 things. I got quite a bit of those. We go through these. These are here great for wing night or just a barbecue. So here's 3 of them. And so I end up getting some ground beef. Of course, you know, taco night, family night. And then, of course, I had to get some neck bones for whenever I'm cooking my collard greens. Hubby loves neck bones. He liked the Cajun, but we ain't been able to find it in a while. And then I got 2 things of the T-bone steak. They're very thin. And a lot of this stuff here was on Pick 5. And then I got some more drumlets. I got another thing of drumettes. I can't even get this stuff out. Yeah. Thank you. After this, y'all, we're going to wash our hands real good. Then I got some more ground beef. Come on, come take this stuff here on back. Y'all know I got my little helpers to help me. Then I got some more ground beef. And y'all, I had to have me a tomato. I don't know why I'm singing, y'all. I'm like so freaking tired. I got a tomato for nachos or if not a hamburger night. Y'all, then I got 2 things of these bag chicken wings. Y'all, they was on sale, I guess, but they're $9.99, whereas when the pandemic they was like $20 a bag. So I got 2 things of those. Woo! Then I end up getting some chicken breast, 2 things of chicken breast. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm too lazy to get it on out. Then of course, I had to get me a pork roast this time, y'all. We ain't had a pork roast in forever. So, of course, I had to get me a pork roast. Y'all, look at my sister. She broke in my household burglar. Here's another thing of ground beef. She came up here to get some pizza. Y'all, look at that burglar. Here's some more ground beef. Love y'all. And then here is a Boston butt. We haven't had one in a long time. What pie? What pie? Oh, no, you can get that little pasta. I don't want it, honey. I don't like that. You better say thank you. I'm giving you this.
Thank you, sister.
Ooh, y'all see this spice, honey? Sister be spicy. Okay, then, of course, I had to get some catfish fillets. Oh, my God, so good. And then, of course, y'all, I love some corn on the cob. Oh, my God, it is amazing. Amazing. All right, here, y'all. Go ahead, come put the meats and stuff back up. Thank y'all. Y'all doing a phenomenal job. So proud of y'all. Y'all, I'm sad. I'm tired. I tell you that much, honey. We done been getting all this stuff. Oh, Lord. I'm tired. Yeah, take all this stuff. Don't take just one. Yeah, take all that. Okay. Here's some bacon. I got 2 things of bacon. Then, of course, we got some taco seasoning. Then I tried this. It's some lemon pepper for some, it's a wing season mix. This here's a new thing that I haven't seen at Aldi, but that was pretty great. Take that on back there. In the refrigerator. And that tomato. And y'all, I had to get 2 things of eggs, honey, because I don't know what it is, but we've been going through the eggs. I guess when we be having these big breakfasts in the morning time. I haven't had my toasted sandwich. Oh my God, those are there at one. And y'all, I got this buffalo wing mix as well. Here's the other taco seasoning. Then I had to get me some lemon pepper, some cream corn, some pancake mix, but y'all know we're gonna be making waffles anyway. Then I got the garlic powder. Y'all, I swear we about finished, honey. About finished. Come on, E. I hope I counted this right here. Y'all, I don't know if I told y'all this. I think I did. Here goes some more chicken breast. I'm assuming it's the same thing. Then, Erica, let's go. Now here's the last little bit, y'all. Stop running so hard on the floor. Come on. Here is 2 things of sugar. Well, actually, I guess I got 3. But here's some cream of chicken. Another thing of garlic powder. Lemon pepper. Another thing of lemon pepper. Some onion powder. Then I had to get some sweet peas. Some corn. Some more corn. Some cabbages. Ooh, Lord, these cabbages didn't want to do right. Hey, that collard greens, don't do all that. Them collard greens need to be in that freezer. Put it on the bottom shelf. Oh my goodness, y'all had to get some yams. So good. Some cream of mushroom. Some corn. Some sweet peas. Some rotel, but I haven't made a chicken spaghetti in forever, so we may have that. Some barbecue sauce. No, these right here need to be in that other deep freezer. Oh, well, go on, put it on up in there. Here's some more barbecue sauce, and I got another thing. I told you that sugar. Then I got some heavy whipping cream. I thought I said this sugar, this syrup, but I guess not. Then I got a Nutty Buddy. Erica, go back over there and come do this. And then I got 1 thing of cooking oil. I got some green beans, some sweet peas, mandarin oranges, onion powder, some corn. I know y'all tired of this corn. And some sweet peas again. I plan on making a casserole. Oh, Lord, y'all done broke one of my poor little bananas. Oh, my goodness. One of y'all gonna be eating it. Or eat around it one. Get it on ahead and eat around. Don't you throw it away. You gonna be trying to eat it too. Told y'all be careful with my stuff. Alright, bananas, of course. Just eat around it. I got some spaghetti sauce. Then I got some lettuce. Some taco style cheese. I feel like I'm missing some cheese. Where the rest of my cheese at? Oh Lord, I got some lettuce. Yeah, I'm missing some cheese. Parmesan. I'm missing some sharp cheese. That's what it is. Some more banana and that olive oil cooking spray. And I think everything I got was probably about $300. But we needed that though, so bad. Alright, until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed it. When I say I am beat, I am tired. I just got finished washing those dishes. I'm cooking dinner. We're having nachos. Y'all, I got my nails done. Ain't they pretty? I really love the design. But yeah, so when I say I just feel like I'm just literally over today. I went grocery shopping. I did some of everything today. I feel like I don't like this pan. I hate it when a pan be over here sticking and whatnot. Swap pans. Wait, come on, boy. Oh! Yeah, we're having nachos tonight. This is my hectic day in the life. Y'all, I got tired of even doing the whole the grocery haul. I can't even think straight. I tell you, I'm over this. So over this. So I'm about to drain this ground beef. And when I drain it, make sure y'all see. Okay. I'm gonna drain the ground beef. And I'm gonna swap pans because I don't like this pan. I don't like that it sticks. I hate whenever food sticks to the pan. Ugh. And I don't even know why I even still keep it, to be honest with you. What you doing, Mom? Okay. What you doing with a freaking umbrella? Lord have mercy. You can't what now? I don't think none of us can, baby. Yep, he's the only one. So what? Okay, hey, I need y'all to be come over here trying to make some Kool-Aid. Yep, oh dang, well, I need y'all, hey, that Kool-Aid that's in there, we gotta put no sugar in there because, child, it's just terrible. Put those two in there up. Let's put the four, put up this thing a little bit, put all this stuff in there on up. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm so freaking sweet. So sweet, man! Okay, so I got that on in there. What you doing on this book? I said I need this for you to look. I gotta move that. So I'm going to use this taco seasoning. I love it. This one here smells. Oh my god, y'all, it tastes so good. I love it. I don't know why. It's like something about it. It's like I love doing the work like this. I don't like that. Y'all be just doing all this stuff and be looking at crazy when somebody call you ugly. Somebody call me ugly. So they got water running. I'm trying to cook this food. I need one to make some Kool-Aid. I guess they think mommy is Octomom. And then when I say I'm tired, well, I'm tired too. What the heck have y'all kids done, Jesus? When I say I've been up since like 5 this morning, I done did right. I done sit up here and got these little nails of mine done. I done went over here and I went grocery shopping. Everything. Y'all don't want to bring the stuff on in. I'm just like, Lord have mercy, Jesus. So please make sense. How in the world y'all day is hard?
Because the teacher was yelling at me.
What?
Because the teacher was yelling at me.
Baby, that's the least of your problem. I told you not to speak to the woman.
No, I was waiting for my turn and then she had yelled at me for no reason.
Man.
He said, go back, wait your turn. And I was like, ah.
See, with the attitude. Don't nobody want to hear all that attitude. I know I don't be wanting to hear it now. Y'all gotta make sure y'all learn to be respectful.
You gotta not just get mad.
Okay, there ain't nothing wrong with you getting mad. That's an emotion that you feel, but at the same time, you gotta make sure you respect your elders.
Then it was this one time when she had blamed me and Ty for saying something. Then she gonna say, now y'all have got my chest hurting.
You might get the chest hurt, you got on chest hurt. You upset like that. See, that's the thing. They be want to try to blame stuff on y'all, but no, we ain't. Hey! Where she at? Y'all getting on my nerve. Like, I'm not trying to hear no. I'm tired now. See, and then you be wanting these doggone devices. Like, I ain't got time for this. Stop going back there and y'all ain't cleaning up, not helping. We got stuff to do.
My eyes are hurting.
From what?
The cooking.
Okay. But your eyes ain't hurt for you being on that doggone tablet in the bathroom. Okay. We're gonna see about all that, because y'all got the most excuse, God knows, to man. Oh, I love it when you got an attitude, baby. I promise you, it makes my day even better.
I'm mad at now.
What the heck you mad with him for?
He snitches on me when he don't like me snitching on him.
Either way, y'all gonna get mad about something. Here, put this stuff right here on up. Speed it up now. Okay, so y'all, we about finished with the whole nachos. When I say I cannot wait, cause it's gonna be good. So good.
Mama, this what song I was singing at school.
What?
I was like, I made up this song. I said, no school tomorrow. I'm being happy, yay.
What?
I said, no school tomorrow. I've been happy, yay.
And there's gonna be a lot of folk here. Go get that Kool-Aid in there in that refrigerator. Okay. Okay, now I'm finna just cut the vlog off and then I'll just show y'all a picture of the food.